Heavy hands, bounce it. There you go. You're gonna stop that. Push the elbow down, head in the hole. Head in the hole. Ryan. I don't know. Goodbye. Get that elbow out. Use your head to pin his. Get the elbow out. There it is. Bump the hips forward. Bump the hips forward.
I think that's a goal that was
Big lift. Nice job. Good. Drive that hip over. There you go. Now work. Put that pressure. Stay. Keep on your toes, Ryan. Keep on your toes. Pressure forward here. There you go. Good pressure. Keep that. Bump the hips again. Bump the hips again. There you go. Elbow out. Elbow out. Run it. Go. There you go. Keep going.
I got
Pop the hip there, quick! Good ride, Ryan. What did I tell you? There you go.
Up and out right away, Ryan.
Hey, Ryan, he can't hold you. Let's go. Explode. There you go. Keep moving. Come up. Stand up again. Stand up. There you go.
Up.
Scoot inside. There you go. Square the hips. Stuff the head. Push down on the elbows. Attack the elbows. Lock the knees on the head. Push it. There you go. Good hips. Step and hook the leg. Hook the leg. Nice job. Good hip action.
Try to break the bar. I get the ball.
There you go. Run it now.
Run that way.
There you go. Keep that pressure.
Crossface, Ryan.
Not just. There you go. Bump the hips. Good. There it is. Half that. Now you gotta adjust.
There you go. Think back. Think back.
Okay, Ryan, you got your near folks, so now adjust to get the pin. Scoop that head. Deep half. Deep half. Ryan, look at me, please.
You gotta get your arm out from underneath the shoulder.
There you go. Head up. Head up.
Good job, Ryan.
In the hole on the green mat. JP 170-pound weight.